Some ice is starting to form on the little cove here. Obviously you can see the creek. And I'm sure you can hear the creek. Up there's the more rapids, if you will. They've quieted down immensely. But what I wanted to show you is how the ice is starting to form on this little cove where the water flow is very quiet or nearly non-existent. A little bit of snow here and there on it. Just goes up to a relatively small area. Up there's I call it the campground area. I'm down standing in our nature's flower garden. Nothing special, but for some of those who've never seen snow and even children and adults who want to learn how science works, how chemistry, biology, physics, the natural sciences, the environment flows. This would be an outstanding learning laboratory for you. You should learn, and your kids should learn. Flowing water, moving water doesn't freeze, or is far, far, far harder to freeze, obviously. But standing water will freeze. And by the way, it sounds and looks relatively quiet around here with nothing growing, nothing alive other than myself and our dogs. Well, you're wrong. There's tons of activity. You just can't see it. It's just hidden and quiet. But it's there. Well, I'll let you go now. Hope you enjoyed this Sunday morning. Goodbye now.